Hi everyone, welcome to Cache Walks.
We found a lovely walkway near Warkworth. We didn't know anything about it.
Come and have a look. There's only one geocache and we think there should be a lot more. The cache description suggests you approach it from the Robinson Boatyard end. It's the shortest route, but the track is not signposted here and this sign put us off. We approached it from the old cement works end, where there was a place to picnic and swim.
The younger Sanderson hunters had fun here playing about in part of the ruins, and we had a good look around.
A whole up bit.
A big up bit. This leads up to there. That leads up to there. Hello.
You can take an easy path here or a shortcut through a ditch.
It was quite a large operation in its heyday. It's not well signposted here. We just kept walking and exploring until the first walkway sign came into view. It was a nice hide. We were glad the tide was out, as it looks like it would be a wet search when the tide was in. We headed back for a picnic and a swim. Richie came to ask if he could join the picnic.
What's the water like, guys?
Warm.
Yeah, it's lovely. Come on in.
Very deep.
It's been a wonderful cache walk and we've really enjoyed it, so thanks for watching.
And don't forget to go geocaching.